So my answer is no, and I'll tell you why. Whether you have a irrevocable LC, whether you have a confirmed LC, site LC, usance LC, whatever kind of LC it is, if you think that you will get funding from your bank on it, the answer is no. The answer is yes, only if there are few conditions. One, you are already in business for say from 5 or 6 years, you have a very profitable balance sheet, and your company is able to lend you because of your balance sheet and the vintage that you have. Point number two, if you don't have the first two things that I told you, but you have a collateral that you can give it to your bank, like a property or a commercial property or some FD or something, then based on that money or that collateral, they can give you funding. Just by having an LC, if you think you will get money from the bank to procure your goods, etc., no, this doesn't happen in India anymore. There are reasons, because just by having an LC, it is not confirmed that you are going to get your shipments sorted. Because the risks that the bank face is, say you get an LC to the bank, and it's a reputed LC, it's a confirmed LC, it's a irrevocable LC, it doesn't matter. If the bank lends to you, bank thinks that what is the guarantee that you will actually really make this shipment. Only if you make the shipment and produce the documents to the bank, only then will the bank be able to really have control of the LC. So the bank feels that they don't have control unless you have a collateral or them. That is why any LC you get, it is only a good payment term so that you can work, closely with the buyer and confidently. But it doesn't guarantee funding from the bank at all. For more information like this topic by itself, we can really go deeper if you have more questions to this. But to answer your question very crisply, this is it.